We're at the National Franchise Exhibition in Birmingham, which is the UK's largest franchise show, to raise awareness of the Wiltshire Farm Foods business model. Franchising is at the heart of Appetito. We've got over 25 years of experience in franchising. Franchising allows us to get out to the consumers and get out to our customers on a daily basis. A lot of our Wiltshire Farm customers are vulnerable and elderly people, and their delivery driver might be the only person they see on a weekly basis. So it's not only is it a really important part of Appetito, but it's really important to a core part of customers across the whole of the UK, and it's a really invaluable service that we provide. We've designed the stand that we're using today to be representative of the whole business model for Wiltshire Farm Foods. So as you can see behind me, we've got the inside of a customer's living room, which brings to life some of our customer stories, such as Sylvia and Fred's story. We also have the inside of a franchise, talking about good old-fashioned customer service, and the other side of the stand, which is representative of the delivery model of the business, and we're operating in the UK's fastest growing demographic, which is the over 75s.